Hey everyone, today I'm going to tell you about Ravi Mehta, a young professional from Mumbai who completely transformed his life and career. Act 1. Stuck in the cycle. In the heart of Mumbai, Ravi Mehta, a 28-year-old corporate employee, felt trapped. For 6 years, he worked as a mid-level accountant in a reputed firm. Every day felt the same. 9-to-5 job, commute, eat, sleep, repeat. His salary was decent, but he wasn't growing. He watched his friends progress in their careers, start businesses and build wealth while he remained stagnant. One day, at a family gathering, his younger cousin, just 24, casually mentioned that he was earning Rs 2 lakh per month through freelancing. Ravi felt a sting of reality. He realized his job would never make him rich. He had stopped learning new skills after college. The world was moving fast and he was falling behind. That night he made a decision. He would reinvent himself. Act 2. Learning what matters. Instead of quitting his job immediately, Ravi took a strategic approach. 1. Identified high-income skills. He researched and found that data analytics, coding and digital marketing were the most in-demand skills. 2. Made a schedule. He dedicated 2 hours every night after work to learning online. 3. Started small. Instead of waiting for the perfect moment, he took freelance gigs for basic projects on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. For 6 months, he worked tirelessly. Weekends became learning marathons. His breakthrough moment, a company offered him Rs 80,000 for a 2-week data analysis project, more than his monthly salary. Ravi saw the truth. His skills, not his job, would determine his financial future. Act 3. The transformation. Once he gained confidence and experience, Ravi made bold moves. Resigned from his job, he transitioned into full-time freelancing with multiple clients. Created a brand. He built a LinkedIn profile and YouTube channel sharing knowledge about data analytics. Expanded his income streams. Ravi launched an online course teaching others how to get started. Within 2 years, Ravi was earning Rs 5 lakh plus per month, more than he ever thought possible. But more than the money, he had control over his life. Act 4. The new version of Ravi. Now, at 32, Ravi isn't just a freelancer, he's an entrepreneur, mentor and investor. He teaches others how to break free from stagnation and master new skills. Looking back, he realizes reinvention isn't about luck, it's about effort and mindset. That the world rewards those who adapt and evolve. Your skills are your biggest asset. Never stop upgrading. One day he visits his old office. His former colleagues still complain about low salaries and long hours. He smiles, knowing he made the right choice. Moral of the story: 1. Skills are the new currency. Keep learning. 2. A job won't make you rich, but skills will. 3. Comfort zones kill progress. Challenge yourself. 4. You don't need to quit everything. Just start small. 5. Success is about reinvention, not luck. Would you like another story on overcoming failure, financial success, or self-discipline?